Hey everyone, welcome back to the Money Making Pals channel. Today we're diving into one of the most versatile tools out there for creatives and entrepreneurs alike, Canva. And guess what? I'm going to show you exactly how you can turn your Canva skills into a money-making machine. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a complete newbie, this video will give you everything you need to start making money with Canva. Make sure to stay all the way until the end of the video, as I always save the best for last. And subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss a beat in your online money-making journey. Let's get started. Here's what we're going to cover today. First, we'll talk about what Canva is and why it's such a powerful tool for making money. Then, we'll explore the various ways you can earn with Canva, from selling templates to offering design services. After that, I'll walk you through how to set up your Canva-based business, and finally, we'll discuss some killer marketing strategies to grow your income. Sound good? Let's dive in. First things first, what exactly is Canva? If you're not familiar, Canva is an online design platform that allows you to create stunning graphics, presentations, social media posts, and more, all without needing advanced design skills. With a drag-and-drop interface and thousands of templates to choose from, Canva makes it easy for anyone to create professional quality designs in minutes. Canva is a game changer for a few reasons. 1, it's incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be a design expert to create beautiful content. 2, it's affordable. There's a free version that offers a ton of features, and even the pro version is much cheaper than traditional design software. And 3, Canva's templates and design elements are vast and versatile, catering to virtually every niche and style. This makes it a perfect tool for anyone looking to make money online. Now, let's talk about why Canva is such a powerful tool for making money. We're living in a visual age. Businesses, marketers, influencers, and content creators are all in constant need of high-quality visual content. Whether it's social media graphics, presentations, ebooks, or marketing materials, the demand for visual content is skyrocketing. And this is where you come in. With Canva, you can create and sell these visuals without needing expensive software or advanced skills. Another reason Canva is great for making money is the low barrier to entry. Unlike traditional design software, which can be expensive and difficult to learn, Canva is affordable and easy to pick up. This means you can start making money almost immediately, even if you have no prior experience in graphic design. And let's not forget about Canva's versatility. Whether you're creating designs for social media, marketing materials, ebooks, or even merchandise, Canva has you covered. Plus, the designs you create can be sold to a global market. With the rise of online business, there's never been a better time to start selling digital products or offering design services online. One of the most popular ways to make money with Canva is by selling templates. Canva templates are in high demand on platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, and even Canva's own template store. You can create templates for social media posts, business cards, resumes, invitations, and more. The best part? Once you've created a template, it can be sold over and over again, generating passive income. Another way to make money with Canva is by offering design services. Many businesses and individuals need custom graphics, but don't have the time or skills to create them. You can offer your services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, or even reach out to potential clients directly. Canva makes it easy to deliver professional quality designs, whether it's for social media, websites, or print materials. Canva is also perfect for creating digital products that you can sell. Think ebooks, planners, printables, and even online courses. With Canva's tools and templates, you can design these products yourself, even if you're not a professional designer. Once created, you can sell these products on your website, Etsy, or other digital marketplaces, creating multiple streams of income. Did you know you can also make money by promoting Canva itself? Canva has an affiliate program that pays you a commission for every new user you refer. If you have a blog, YouTube channel, or social media following, you can create content that promotes Canva, like tutorials or design tips, and include your affiliate link. Every time someone signs up for Canva Pro through your link, you earn a commission. Another exciting way to make money with Canva is by creating and selling merchandise. Canva's design tools make it easy to create unique graphics that you can print on t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. Platforms like Printful, Redbubble, and Teespring allow you to upload your designs and sell them as print-on-demand products. This means you don't need to worry about inventory or shipping. Just create your designs and let the platform handle the rest. To take full advantage of Canva's features, I highly recommend signing up for Canva Pro. While the free version of Canva is great, Canva Pro gives you access to premium templates, stock photos, design elements, and advanced features like the brand kit, which allows you to save your brand's colors, fonts, and logos for easy access. Plus, with Canva Pro, you can resize designs for different platforms with just one click, making it a huge time saver. Once you're set up with Canva Pro, it's important to organize your workspace. Canva allows you to create folders for your projects, which can help you stay organized as you create more designs. You can also save your favorite templates and elements for quick access later. Keeping your workspace organized will make your workflow more efficient, especially as you start taking on more projects or creating more products. A strong portfolio is essential for attracting clients or customers. Whether you're selling templates or offering design services, you'll want to showcase your best work. Use Canva to create a professional portfolio that highlights your range of skills and styles. You can host your portfolio on your own website or use platforms like Behance and Dribbble. Remember, your portfolio is often the first impression potential clients or customers will have of your work, so make it count. Pricing is one of the most important aspects of your Canva business. You want to price your products and services competitively while also ensuring you're compensated fairly for your time and skills. For templates, research what similar products are selling for on marketplaces like Etsy. For design services, consider your experience level and the complexity of the project. Digital products like ebooks or courses can often be priced higher, especially if they offer a lot of value. And remember, you can always adjust your pricing as you gain more experience or as demand increases. Marketing is key to growing your Canva income, and social media is one of the best ways to do it. Platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok are perfect for showcasing your designs and driving traffic to your products or services. On Instagram, use visually appealing posts and stories to attract followers. Pinterest is great for sharing your templates and digital products, as it's a platform where people actively search for creative ideas. And don't forget TikTok. Short, engaging videos can go viral and bring a lot of attention to your Canva business. An email list is one of the most valuable marketing tools you can have. It allows you to directly reach people who are interested in what you offer. Start by setting up an email opt-in on your website or blog, offering a freebie like a Canva template or a design tips guide in exchange for their email address. Once you have a list, send out regular newsletters with valuable content, updates on new products, and exclusive discounts. Building a relationship with your email subscribers can lead to repeat customers and steady sales. Collaborating with influencers can give your Canva business a significant boost. Find influencers in your niche who align with your brand and offer them your products or services in exchange for promotion. This can help you reach a larger audience and build credibility. Additionally, setting up an affiliate program can incentivize others to promote your products. By offering a commission for each sale they generate, you can expand your marketing efforts without doing all the work yourself. Once you've established your Canva business, you might want to scale it up using paid advertising. Facebook and Instagram ads are powerful tools for reaching a highly targeted audience. Start by creating ads that showcase your best products or services and use Canva to design eye-catching ad creatives. Target your ads based on demographics, interests, and behaviors to reach people who are most likely to buy from you. Monitor your ad performance and adjust your campaigns based on what's working to maximize your return on investment. As your Canva business grows, consider expanding your offerings. This could mean creating more complex digital products, offering custom Canva workshops, or even launching a membership site where subscribers get access to exclusive templates and resources. Diversifying your income streams can help you reach new customers and increase your overall revenue. Plus, it keeps your business fresh and exciting. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We started by understanding what Canva is and why it's such a powerful tool for making money. Then, we explored different ways to earn with Canva, from selling templates to offering design services and creating digital products. We also discussed how to set up your Canva business, and some powerful marketing strategies to grow your income. Remember, with the right approach, Canva can be more than just a design tool. It can be a game-changing source of income. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with this. Success with Canva, like any business, takes time and effort. But with creativity, determination, and the strategies we've discussed today, you can turn your Canva skills into a thriving business. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or aiming to build a full-time income, Canva has the potential to help you achieve your financial goals. So, don't wait. Start exploring Canva's possibilities today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. I've got tons more content on the way to help you grow your online business. And if you're ready to take action, drop a comment below and let me know how you plan to use Canva to make money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.